everyone, welcome to 5 minutes belly dance with me. The last one that I'm going to share with you is basically the same as just now we did front and back, but this time we're going to do with the body bend. Alright, when you're bending down, you always have to bend down from the hip. Make sure your back is straight. Alright, and then only you round your back and then your head. Okay, and then when you come up, you're going to round your back. And then your head will be the last one coming up. Alright, so it's basically go down, your chest open, go down. And if you have the hand, you can bring the arms down. And then you go up, round your back. And then up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so your head is always the last one. Okay, this is the last flip we're going to do. Alright, now let's do some combinations so that you can practice the head flips. Alright, so let's start with the one with the curve and up. I'm going to use the version that basically goes here and then straight up, right, rather than side. Okay, so we're going to do 4 of this. Okay, going to the right first, so your weight is on the left. You go down and then you come up, right, for 1, down, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we're going to do the side to side head flip. For a faster 8, we're going to go 1, 2. So you see, I'm basically go up and down. I'm tiptoeing and down as I shift my upper body and flipping the hair. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last one, I'm going to close my leg and then I'm going to bring my back down. So I'm stretching, opening up my chest, back is flat. I'm going to come down with my hand. All right, so I'm going down, 1, 2, and on a 3, 4, I come up. And I repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? And then we repeat all over again. Are you ready? Let's do the half circle flip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And flip to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button. And see you again next time. Bye.